G'day everybody, it's Craig Cobb here from Trade with Precision with another free newsletter. Today's Wednesday the 18th, and look, I've had a lot of people ask me a lot of questions in my time, but probably the most frequently asked question from people that I speak to through Trade with Precision and the business of trading is, I hear people say to me, look Craig, I'm already trading. I've been trading for a number of years. I don't want the beginner stuff. I want to learn the advanced stuff. I want to learn more. I'm not profitable. I know what I'm doing, but I'm not profitable, and I need help with that. Now, of course, that's what our courses are for. Let's be honest. That's what our training products are for. That's what the whole Platinum package is about. It's about giving you guidance every day, every week, and giving you feedback as soon as you need it. That is really what it is about. But I'm not going to sit here and pitch you that all night or all day. I want to tell you guys how I believe that you can make a very big difference to your trading through some very simple steps. And the first and easiest is trend. Yes, we talk of trend frequently. Yes, it is the most important thing as a trader if you are technical based. And yes, I'm going to talk about it again. And the reason I'm going to talk about it again is because I have so many people say to me they know it and they really don't. I test it every single time I talk of trend on webinars. People say they know trend, then I give them a few examples, and 90% of people will get at least one of those wrong. You need to be able to get 100% right to say you fully understand and master trend. So let's go through this and work with you. Okay, first things first, we got trend here on sterling against the dollar. Our monthly has been rejecting this lower level and it's moving higher. I would suggest we're probably going to see the top of this channel met at some point in the not too distant future. Coming down to the daily, a beautiful higher high, higher low, move higher. A very nice looking trend there. Nice moving averages, founding a lot of things really looking good for sterling against the dollar. It'd be nice to see a pull back into these averages for a start. Now, the next one I want to look at is Swissy yen, because again, it's a focus and emphasis on trend here. Weekly, we're seeing ourselves at a level of resistance and looking quite highly likely, if we break above these old highs, to see a significant move. Now, if we have a look here on the daily, something else to note is this. Here's the resistance quite clearly there. But up into that, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and moving averages fanning. If we can get a break of this level, then it would be open season for longs. Okay, ultimately a break above these old highs would be even more bullish, but I would not even consider being a buyer until we get above here. Now, if you're thinking, how do I keep an eye on what they're doing? How do I get the gist of what they're trading and when they're trading it? Then the easiest way for you to join that and learn more about that is to join our Precision Perspective service. We have the September offer in place where you get 30 days from the day of your signing up to view all of our videos. We do at least 2 videos there a day, and you've got plenty of archives in there. If you want to learn more about what we do, if you want to see if we're the real deal, go to Precision Perspectives, sign up for a month, and we will refund the first month straight back to your account for September only. That's how you can see what we do in more detail. Euro yen is very similar to Swiss yen, same sort of thing. We're at resistance. We've broken above it once. We pull back into this zone that we talk of. And again, I wouldn't be looking or considering longs until we get above this level of resistance. But again, based on trend. Speaking of trend, probably the best trending of the yen pairs at the moment is sterling yen. Our monthly is in an uptrend. Our weekly is in an uptrend. Our daily is also in an uptrend. And have a look. We've already broken the level of resistance. We've tested it once and we've moved away. Keep in mind, that's what I'm looking for when we break the resistance. It's a test at it and a move away. Now we can see in here we're just consolidating somewhat at the moment on sterling yen, but it does look very, very bullish and highly likely to continue in that direction. It may see a pullback first. It would be healthy, but on the bigger picture I can see sterling yen going much higher. Comparing these good trends that we've looked at and a good understanding for trend, compare that with Euro Swiss. Because a lot of people decide they're going to just trade one market, and that's where that's their stumbling block. Have a look here on the weekly. Look, if I just zoom in a bit, messy, sideways, not a lot happening. On the daily, it is just as bad, if not worse. Look at this. It's just not clear. It's just not clear at all. It is an ugly trend, or sorry, it's an ugly chart. There is no trend, and if you're trading a chart like this and wondering why you're losing, wander no longer. Another one to focus on is Euro Sterling, and again we're focusing on trend here, downtrend on the daily, downtrend on the weekly, and also looking at support and resistance levels, because we teach ingredients. We teach individual ingredients and we pull them together to provide a recipe, what we call a trading strategy. This trading strategy allows you to go through in a disciplined fashion, ticking off the certain individual elements that you need to base a trade upon. It keeps you disciplined, it keeps it structured, and when we mentor you, it makes sure that we're working off the same checklist, so there's no grey areas. Now you can see we've broken down through this level of very strong support and resistance at 8400, and now we're retesting that level. So I'm looking for opportunities to get short on our Precision Perspectives service. A number of the traders have already made calls on Euro Sterling to get short. I have not made a call on it yet. I'm looking to give some reasons why today, so you can join up to the Precision Perspectives and see that video shortly. And really guys, that's the main majority of the markets I'm looking at right now. I've got a challenge for you all as well. I think it's extremely important for me to challenge you. It's my job to help educate you and to help you move forward as a trader. So my challenge to you is this. Jump on and join the webinar tonight. Okay? If you're in the US, it's 12 noon Los Angeles, it's 3 p.m. New York, it's 8 p.m. London. This is on the 18th of September, so tonight. Then we've got 5 a.m. Sydney the following day, so the 19th of September, and 7 a.m. Auckland also on the 19th of September. My challenge to you is this. Simon Clark's presenting that webinar. Ask him as many questions as you need. Watch that webinar, learn from that webinar. We're going to show you 5 technical ingredients that we use through our trading strategies. We're going to show you some of the most important technical ingredients. We're going to have a look at why so many traders are not profitable, and we're going to basically take you through and understand the difference between a lagging indicator and a leading indicator. These things are going to help you get better as a trader. So if you truly do want to get better as a trader, if you do want the help, and if you want to learn, then register for this webinar. All you need to do is click on the link below. It will take you straight to the page. Registration will take you all of about 30 seconds, and you'll be on board for that particular event. I look forward to hearing about the feedback and comments that Simon gets on that webinar, and I look forward to speaking to you in the not too distant future. Have a great trading week, guys. Take care. Bye for now.